Bird Concepts here. We're going to show you our new mini trumpet pipes for the Softails. We've tipped up the back so when you pull into parking lots you don't scrape them. Awesome sound. We also offer baffles that come up inside here for tuning and more horsepower. They come with heat shields, everything you need. 01 to present Softails they fit. We also have our upswept fishtails. Give you a little taste here. Like the other pipes, they didn't scrape when I went in and out of the parking lot. Check us out, Dirty Bird Concepts. Mini trumpets, can't get them anywhere else. Upswept.